Automate product launch metrics tracking with n8n, full AI automation no-code workflow. Welcome back to another AI automation and n8n no-code tutorial. In today's video, we'll build a workflow that tracks and summarizes your product launch metrics automatically using n8n, OpenAI, Airtable, and Slack. You'll be able to send your product launch data like signups, revenue, feedback, and platform stats directly into this automation, which organizes, analyzes, and shares updates with your team in real time. Let's build it from scratch. Step 1. Capture product launch data automatically. Start with a webhook trigger node called product launch data. As you can see, the path is product launch. This webhook receives new product launch metrics from any source, your analytics tool, application backend, or Google Sheet integration. Example, JSON data will be the product name, for example, AI Task Manager, launch date, signups, revenue, and feedback score. Whenever new metrics are sent to the webhook, n8n will automatically start the workflow. Step 2. Clean and structure the metrics. Add a set node called setCleanLaunchData and map the incoming values property. Product name, JSON product name, launch date, JSON launch date, signups, JSON signups, revenue, JSON revenue, feedback score, JSON feedback score, and the timestamp now. This ensures all metrics are clean and standardized before analysis. Step 3. Analyze launch performance with AI. Let's open it. Add an OpenAI node named OpenAI Analyze Launch with the prompt. Analyze the following product launch data and return a JSON with performance, excellent, good, average, poor, and summary, short description inside. Product, JSON product name, signups, JSON signups, revenue, JSON revenue, and feedback score, JSON feedback score. An example of output of the JSON can be performance excellent, summary, the AI Task Manager launch performed exceptionally well with strong user adoption and positive feedback. Step 4. Store data in Airtable. Add an Airtable node called Airtable Store Metrics, Operation Upsert, Table Product Launch Metrics, and map the following fields: product name, JSON product name, launch date, JSON launch date, signups, JSON signups, revenue, JSON revenue, feedback score, JSON feedback score, performance, JSON performance, summary, JSON summary, timestamp, JSON timestamp. Now your Airtable will always stay updated with the latest product metrics and insights. And the last step, the Slack node that notify the team in Slack. Add a Slack node called Slack Notify Team. Let's open it. The channel will be named Launch Updates, and the text will be this: Product Launch Update, JSON Product Name, Launch Date, JSON Launch Date, Signups, JSON Signups, Revenue, JSON Revenue, Feedback, JSON Feedback Score, Performance, JSON Performance, JSON Summary, and JSON Timestamp. Every time new metrics are submitted, your team will instantly see an AI Analyze summary in Slack. Now let's see all the workflow. Perfect. Send test launch data to your webhook. You'll see n8n capture it instantly, structure it, analyze it with OpenAI, save it in Airtable, and announce it in Slack. Everything is fully automated, zero code, no manual reports. You've just built a complete product launch metric tracking automation using n8n, Airtable, Slack, and OpenAI. These workflows gives your team instantly visibility into launch performance, automates reporting, and save hour every week. If you love AI automation and no code, make sure to subscribe. I post new n8n tutorials every day to help you automate smarter. Keep automating and see you in the next video. Bye bye.